your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, Larry here, and welcome to Larry's Pen Review. Alright, so this review is going to be on some paper. One of the people that hangs out with me on my Zoom Hangout, Marilyn, was kind enough to send me the information about what she found at CVS. So let's look at the book. It's some paper that she uses, and she showed me a little bit about how friendly this paper is to fountain pens, just depending on the ink. But it's Caliber CVS notebook. And this book, I got the college rule in 70 sheets. Made in Vietnam, CVS quality, money back guarantee. Okay. Distributed by CVS Pharmacy Incorporated. In the back, there's not much going on, so I just got the one subject notebook with 70 sheets to test it. And that's what we're going to do right now. When she showed it to me, it looked really nice. The paper did real well with the ink. And the paper feels nice. I'm going to give it that. So let's see how it performs. We'll use a ballpoint pen first of all, my Parker jotter. Okay. Alright, so that's that. Then let's go with the Sailor. And this has the gold nib on it. And we'll see how these pens and inks all come together on this paper. And I'm looking up some notes, so bear with me. I guess. Let's see here. I'm looking at that. All right. It's a nice looking ink. All right. And let's go with the Lamy All-Star. And let me look for the nice ink here. Okay. Let me see here, my friends. righty. Pilot parallel. .5. And that's laying down a lot of ink. Okay. And I'm using the Pilot red ink. Alright. That's juicier than juice. Alright, we're going to do the 1, 2, 4. Here's a big one right here. We're going to do the 2.4 millimeter. And I'm using 3 Oyster Purple. Okay. And the 3.8 is right here. Like a brush. And we're going to go with the 6.0. Wow, okay. This is really laying it down. Well, that's real together. Okay. And this is the green. Righty. And then I do the 1.5. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Well, that's that so far. So, let's see what it looks like using these pens. Now, I really laid it on with these big parallel pens. So, let's see how it really did. And look at there. This paper has done extremely well with these pens that you saw me writing in. Did a great job. It did a really good job. I'm really impressed. So there are some quality paper notebook out there that you can buy, and you may like them or you may not. I like the paper. I think it's pretty cool, and you can always tear off the edges here. That'll tear out real easy, but I'm not going to do that right now. Now they also come in loose paper, but the store didn't have any loose paper whatsoever. They have different sized notebooks. Yep, they have the smaller ones too as well. So that's pretty cool. And let's just try, because it's right here handy, my Paladin pen. Let's get this going to be the last one, just because I want to write in the book. And this is a medium nib. And it's almost out of ink, so bear with me. And I'll leave this out so I can wash it out. Almost out of ink. And I've had this little jewel inked up since October the 1st. And this thing is just about gone. It's got a little bit left. So I'll get this cleaned out, but you got the idea. I really use some heavy-duty nibs, the calligraphy nibs, that really lay down the ink, and it did real well with it. Well, you know, I knew, excuse me, I knew the paper was going to do well because what Marilyn sent me, it did real well when she was using it on different nib sizes and different inks, so she did a great job on that. Excuse me. And I've got to use this one more time, this big old bad boy. And as you can see perfectly here, the paper handled the different nibs, the different inks. I even used a ballpoint on there. It did well with that. So hey, this is a thumbs up. If you're looking, if you're on a budget and you're looking for some good paper out there, check it out, CVS. No, it's not Tomo River paper. No, it's not Clairefontaine. No, it's not rodeo paper. No. But it's decent paper at an affordable price. So, hey, it's your money. You use it wisely, but I think this is good notebook paper. That's my opinion. Will I use it? You betcha. I'll use it, and I'll write a few letters in it. Wow! Isn't that something? Folks, thank you for joining me on Larry's Pen Reviews today. Until my next review, stay safe, wash them hands, a lot of peace and love your way. As always, don't text and drive, and write some letters. Bye!